So hey guys, it's me Anish and welcome back to this video. So in this video, I'm gonna demonstrate how you can connect your custom domain to the website that you have built with the Bolt.new or any AI platform which is connected to the GitHub account. So let's get started. So first thing first, I have made a website from Bolt.new. This is a portfolio-based website which looks like this. It's pretty much awesome. This is the one which I have been making from Bolt.new with this type of little bit of prompt of over here and there. And what I did was I hooked up this with my StackBlaze account. And after a StackBlaze account, I created a repository in which we can create like this from a repository, and it will connect it to my GitHub account. And the next thing that I did was connect with the Netlify account, but the Netlify had some issues, like my custom domain wasn't being connected with the Netlify account. So what I did was just use the Vercel, and the Vercel deployed the website for me since it was white. So it was easy framework for Vercel to deploy this thing, and it's completely free for you guys also. So now the thing is, I have to simply connect my custom domain to the website that I created from the Bolt.new. So here is how I will do it. So basically, I have to create a tag and connect this to this IP. So let me just go over to my Cloudflare account and just add a tag and the IP address over here, and just save it like this, and add another CNAME account. Like I will just go over here and create a CNAME account and select the CNAME and www and paste the stuff over here and simply just save it over here, and it will help me validate if it's being configured or not, since it's automatically refresh these things and check, and it's gonna check if the CNAME is being properly inserted, or and if the name a tag is being properly inserted or not. Yes, it's configured correctly right now. So after trying for a many period of time of checking of DNS over here and there, I finally got it success. So when I just go over to the website anistrester.com.np, it will be connected with my Vercel account, and it will show me the program or web application that I've made in my Vercel. So yeah, there you go. So this is my experience, projects, resume, everything stuff over here I have connected. And this is how I made my personal website with Bolt.new. And you can do the same. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe. And until that time, have a great day, have a safe day. Peace out.